This is one of the most powerhouse events that we have going on. Great feeling, right? Like great family-oriented energy. So I got my kids over here. Kimberly, she's the supermodel of the family. She got her looks from her mom. We got Kimberly's best friend. Then we got Kaya. She helps me with my fashion, so that's my fashion expert. And then over here we got Sarge and Goldie James. We got Trees. Like, yo, bro, it's lit in here, you know what I'm saying? But we're getting ready to just wind down, take it easy.
Oh my God. That's so good.
So look at that right there. Ooh, mouth watering.
Hey everybody, it's Maya. I am the daughter of Larita and Ronald Simmons. We are celebrating at the Pinehurst Festival this weekend. Hope y'all enjoy it.
My next meeting is at like 1 o'clock whenever we actually go sit down with all the pit masters. And basically we'll sit there with Chris. You know, Chris will be doing his thing and everybody will start getting their game face on for the Invitational tomorrow. We're gonna knock the socks off, you know what I'm saying? So it's lit out here, baby. Stay tuned.